Dear compeers, my respect to our special guest, Sri Binye M. Mamtiu, the Honorable MLA, PPTP Chairman, Government of Nagaland, and his encourage. My respect to our Deputy Commissioner Noklak, ESC Panso, the SGO DO in charge Noklak, Additional SP Noklak, Assistant Commandant BG Noklak, Teaching Faculty, Chairman Lingyu Village Council 1963. But then, when we look back to the history, it is not so. It was late 1950s, combining of Suwao village and Lingyu village at the side of Lingyu and Suwao. When we look back to the advent of Christianity, it was recorded as way back to 1948. But maybe it might be twisted in a written record. Man, Christianity aro education go hand in hand jabola ke goina na puja agede. Aman bra lobole na bara agede. Itu hujai seneki. Hindu itu pustidi ekta senior ase among the Khemyungan villages. Oila bra aha laga chonom hua laga ekta busti ase. And I'm also a part of this village. Idu jahumide first ahelebi first lobole nabara. First dilebi first lobole nabara. Pabna brahma bungja moikhan idu thaki sene ki goigena idu bi pabna kuriase. Hindu after a half century and on, GMS upgradation hobode goina Lingyu laga GPS to upgradation ho jabode GPS ki goina. Last year gidia order to baise ekdom khushi baise. Idu nishina khushi pa lobo mokhandi ekta khang bukhela nishina hi ho jabode. Utha Korea se ki teachers shortage. Department do kam Korea se teacher sufficient digo tane. Maybe alop salop de na bongja bisi thaki go pare department de idu karne mukhan alop mon lamba amor kuri loigena rokhi sabone ki goigena idu bi ekta request kore ase. Longi just Lingyu hai hao chami chami lodro ki just so zat ni lo no government no department no communitization the details no no actually so the meaning of communitization just so no I lo no atei Lingyu ji ya da longi government no the ki lo ko Lingyu hai hao hey da so about jang lo hey de ki na zat ni dei phe achim jahai to byo ho jli ga ko so hai khu jin shu byo ho jli ya ko ho si ni hoi no bang no chen hoi to thwe go kam so so a bam za ge lo shi ga jam phyu za ge lo shi ga cham jam na da about jang lo achim hai de ne thwe lo ga li ga nai ho a shi wo cha thalai ga jo bin wa ja na bu byo ding ge lo ko jam phyu za ga yi lo ri ko Longi Lingyu no Pamlan the development at another tapo among them, you know. Lingyu no Ajay no go ye da na among them a showing thing. Tijelo wall go ho, just so Sina Liu Mayo. Fuji we are going to night of Sina Shuja Jun. The Pier Longi Bosang Kogeka, them being Junishu, development activity those initial to Tabnayo. Among them there, Alien you which you don't know. No, I owe to a tea go to sun. A day like Jane and object another day, you know. app ka ni ga shi mo ta ke lo ni chami jam na ali ji lu si lo si ye da ko di he ru je na ko so a je na ko phum lo ko lu si lo ga ko ko da lo ni me le na ko GMS na la ka mo ni nong ho ga nai ga je no ga la lo ni ling yu na ho si ga nai la ka mo ko ke lo ni kam ni man hai aku chami jam aku ni se to lu na yo jungoi lo jin je sao lo jin aku apyo ding ga noi this is the same EMRS na chami jam na lo je jen vi na shi lo je jang go college no model college ta ti ga establish yang na ke to new ti ke na pu bu na ni atha phai si lai engineering ding hoi no nok la ka college na bo sambo no mong ga ebe da mong lam nei lo ni secondary na chak ke ho noi liu ko nok la village ko lighthouse project na chiu de ko noi nong go ho secondary na apre yang si ta lo ni GMS na go de to la ji ling ni high school wa tha no nei si ko no da ling lu go jo so 5 years plan, 10 years plan的那些，长期那个就说弄个套路咯，我就说6个、60个我就说个月就那提高的，那弄个行为的。Empowering the architect of future， 就说呢，容易把不会。In the depths of life, the trade shine as brilliantly as those of educators. A wave of respect and gratitude fills the air. After all, each year, till today, underscore the critical role of teachers plays in the society. Longi jasa generation na so good generation na lead down. AI generation, artificial intelligence generation and the so high just the tasking in Jinchu, just so come to Lord, she gonna building up jogging out as they say. They get Babu Hui.